Hello dear students, dear children, in this video we will discuss exercise 7.1. Children, in our country money is written using rupees and paise. So let's learn how to write money in long form, in words and in short form. So for this, let's start our exercise 7.1. Children, first question, write the following in long form. First part, rupees 4.35. Children, how we will write this amount in long form? Children, we know very well that this point separates rupees and paise. The number written to the left of this point represents rupees and the number written to the right of this point represents paise. So here we have 4 rupees and 35 paise. So how we will write in long form? We will simply write the long form. What is it? 4 rupees 35 paise. Second one, rupees 90.09 is equal to, in long form, 90 rupees. How many rupees? 90 rupees and how many paise? 9 paise. So the long form for this is 90 rupees 9 paise. Third one, rupees 0.03. So here children, what is there to the left of this point? 0. Point के left में rupees होता है. So there are 0 rupees and 3 paise. 03 means 3 paise. So there is no rupees. So simply we'll write 3 paise as the long form for this. Now let's move on to the next type of question. It is, write the following in words. This is fourth question. 10 rupees 20 paise in words. When we write in words, we use the symbol. So how many rupees are here? 10 rupees. So we'll put the symbol for rupees. Then we'll write 10 and how many paise? 20 paise. So paise 20. Fifth one, 4 rupees 3 paise. Rupees 4 and paise 3. Similarly here in the sixth question, rupees 0.80. So there is 0 rupees. So we will not write 0 here. Instead we will write 80 paise. Okay children, 80 paise. When there is only paise, we write 80 paise. Now let's move on to the next type of question. That is, write the following in short form. Short form is the most used form. Okay, we write money always in short form. Seventh question, 35 rupees 20 paise. How we will write in short form? First we will write the symbol for rupees and then we will write, first we will write rupees, 35 rupees, then we'll put a dot and then we'll write the paise. So 20 paise. Eighth question, 5 rupees 8 paise. So first we'll write the symbol for rupees, then 5 rupees, 5, then a dot to write paise. And children, yes, again I am saying the same thing. 2 digits. 2 digits. Paise is always written in 2 digits. So this 8 paise, we will not write 5.8. We will write 08 because these 2 digits represents paise. Okay. So the digits to the right of the point represents paise. So here we have written rupees and to the right of this dot we will write 08 paise. So rupees 5.08. Ninth one, 5 paise. Since there is no rupees, so we'll first write the symbol of rupees. We'll write 0 and then point. And this point separates rupees and paise. So here is 0 rupees and 05 paise. So children, in this way we'll write money in long form, in words and in short form. Hope this video is useful for you all. Thank you for watching.